Assalamu alaikum student. Today I will tell you about the atom. Atom consists of three basic particles: proton, electrons and neutrons. The nucleus, center of the atom, contains the protons and neutrons. Protons has positively charged and neutrons have no charge. The outermost region of the atom are called electron shells and contain the electrons that have negatively charged. Atom consists of three basic particles: protons, neutrons and electrons. The element of the periodic table sorted by atomic number. Click on any element name for further chemical properties, environmental data or health effect. This list contains the 118 elements of chemistry. Mean 118 elements considers in periodic table. The parts of an atom are protons, electrons and neutrons. A proton is positively charged and is located in the center or nucleus of the atom. Electrons are negatively charged and are located in rings or orbits spinning around the nucleus. The number of protons and electrons is always equal. The center of the atom is called nucleus. Orbit is called rings. Atoms are extremely small, measuring about 1 into 10 to raise 10 meters in diameter. Because of their small size, it is impossible to view them using a light microscope. While it may not be possible to view an atom using a light microscope, a number of techniques have been developed to observe and study the structure of atom. Atoms are extremely small. Due to small in size, it is impossible to view them using a light microscope. Atoms cannot be created nor destroyed, and they are indestructible. They cannot be broken into smaller parts. This was based on the law of conservation of mass. It was later learned that atoms can break into smaller parts. Next, atomic models are important because they help us visualize the interior of atoms and molecules and thereby predicting properties of matter. About 99% of your body is made up of atoms of hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. You can also contain much smaller amounts of the other elements that are essential for life. Human body is made up of 99% with atoms. Hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen are important for human life. Many other elements are also essential for life. Thank you for listening and watching.